Here's my lunch. I'm here at Asian Market. Come on, let's eat. Kaon tayo. I have dinuguan and adobo chicken. You have tapa, right?
We need to pick T-Mobile.
Yeah, today.
I'll just find one around here, okay?
Kain po tayo.
T-Mobile.
This is good, adobo chicken. And that's Robert's breakfast, my husband's breakfast.